Hello, this is Dr. Gaynor here with you to talk about commenting using Word and their comment features. Some of you might have done this before, and this is how I've been putting comments on papers as well as putting them on feedback sheets or rubrics. So the easiest way to do this is you go ahead and open the document, and this is the one that I have set up for you to work on as well. And then you select Review in the tabs at the top. This is going to give you a lot of different options for working on different things about papers. So one of the things that I want you to do is to try to find at least 5 things that you could suggest about this paper. They don't have to necessarily be things that are wrong. They could be things that you want to know more about, or things that you're not sure about, or places that you think maybe there's too much. So this was a descriptive writing that I wrote based on Eudora Welty's Little Store. And that's the one we're going to take a look at today. So one of the things that I might pick was that I would probably tell myself, so I want to get rid of this my since I've capitalized ant. And if I click the right option, new comment comes up down here. Now it's up here in the top on the status bar, but if you right click your mouse or you're on your trackpad, you're going to get new comment. And then I'm going to select that and it's going to show my name that I'm the one commenting. And I'm going to just tell myself, consider either deleting my or uncapitalizing ant so that I make this correct. And then I'm going to hit return, and that's going to be my comment. Sometimes, depending on the version, there might be like a little paper plane that says send, and you have to click that before it will send, or it won't let you write on another comment. So you have to do one or the other. Sometimes you just click out of it and it's fine. The other thing I'm going to tell myself is, let's see. So sometimes it doesn't always work the way I want it to. New comment. Not make these numbers and spacings better, just because I don't happen to like that. And then I'm just going to click out of it and it's going to be there. So that's all you do. You click, highlight the thing you want, and then you click right click to get show comment or hit new comment up here. And it's going to tell you or give you a place that you can put the things you'd like to tell the author. And then when you send it, if you save it and send it back to them, then these comments are going to remain and they can take a look at them. If you wanted to have a back and forth exchange about it, you could if you're working farther apart, or you can resolve the comment and then remove it from your paper. So that is how you will be doing comments on people's paper when you get them for Writer's Workshop. You will have a Writer's Workshop sheet, but if you see something in the narrative itself that you'd like to address with them, you can put your comments here. If it's a grammar thing, you're not sure that you know the right answer, you could still say check on or look up whether, if you think something's wrong and you're not quite sure, and it's okay. And if you're the author, you can take their suggestions, or you don't have to. If they've suggested something that you don't like that would make a change to your story, I mean, it's not like grammatical, it's just an idea, you're not required to take their comments on things like that. So thanks, and I'll see you next time.